See, bringing it forward. This is going to be a long drive. That's just a clever idea. But it's Kotoko's free kick. And guess who's behind it? It's Asante. You've got Patrick Asiedo as well as Intimeno. But it's be Patrick Asiedo's hit. Long drive up front from Lions goalkeeper. That's a clever play now. That's big. That one in a touching shed. So twisting and turning on his in. Oh, but it's ball, and that's a lovely hit. And again, it dangles across. Allowed to come forward now. Here's Pichamidu Aqua. 101 with Dancy. Gets into the box. This is from Emmanuel Entry at Kotoko's defense. Ishmael, long drive. Looking for his man. Danso sent it across. That's a bit scary, isn't it? That is in to shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh, how it's just tipped away from the mouth of the goalpost. The Jetty banks it forward. That's Entry. Looking for a bit of space. Finds the Jetty. That's a big battle. And a flag. And this is where Lions went out to defend and is headed away. It's brought out. That'll stay with Kotoko right on the edge of the area. This is a lovely goal and it's in. Guess who hits it in? It's Justice Blay. And Kotoko at the above half time. Jump into the lead. What a touch and what a finish. And he sleeps. Just look at it for a hit. It was cleared, but not cleared enough. And that hit absolutely cannot be touched by Lawrence Osei. And Kotoko absolutely taking the lead at the moment at the other side. Yeah, Sechi count the hit it in. And is lifted deep. Comes of somebody.
Shmilado apija bonita pasu. Oyego! Shenibium. Ishmelado peja bonona. A print idea ni Fauzi Ali. Second half year no bim Kobia.
He did him on a counter. I think that I had about quite bad and a bit to me Abwa Kotoko ye because Bono and Yan there so far one match one money Heart of Lions Ebeko a bit to me I then Abwa
Pejabonis Mutempaso Imanoki. Some Rantane Bonifio Sadi Bonacoche Jimano Lentry Pejama Bonasapim a Pejamuetinimo Unabonapim. My oh my. Asante Kotoko Manteno. Baba Yaya. Beautiful play. Bismarck Eni. Upurimo 18 other kidding. Still Kwando out of Lions Kwame. Oh. Born up him. Lions Simrantana Saji Bono. Ishmelado Jemu Diamaninia. Naso. Team menu Jemu Diama Papaya. Kumas. I mean, that's goalkeeper Frederick Asari. Joby Junior. Or Pejabone Tinim. Piano Amabona Trashe. And they were away. I consider 10 goals. Samba O'Neill. Peter Amidou Aqua. Jemu Diabami Babaya was shortness goalkeeper. Lawrence Osei Achibot.
Yeah, they are almost so almost be to me in a second goal now. And also basically almost 3 points, no, because elsewhere, one young say other results are APM.
Game played Lions 1, Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
That's nearly an inch. Nankabono, it to me at Watana. And that will be the end for Krobia Asante Kotoko. No draw, and I bet
referee. Andrews the Bonache, Kucho Obin Junior, Johnny Baba Baba, Kucho Obin Junior, Wapuru Moetia that can pass into Mianko, still Kucho Obin Junior. Referee Jakubu Hasim Washena Bendia Kensenina Banewie.
Yeah, we didn't actually start on the front foot. I think we sat a little bit back trying to observe what they would do. And then I think from the 15th minute going, we came into the game and also started playing. But then I'm sure they were just, I didn't tell them that, but I'm sure the players themselves decided to observe how they were playing. In any case, too, we had also trained on the counter-attack, so probably they were trying to sit a little bit low, get the ball, and then just hit them on the counter. Yeah, he complained of dizziness right from somewhere getting to the end of the first half. I mean, he complained of dizziness. So I think it was left with 3 minutes. So I think 3 or 5 minutes. So the medical team told me that we need to manage him up to the end of the first round. So he himself said that he will manage and play. And then when we went to the dressing room, we gave him some energy boosters to take. But then when he was playing, I think he still felt dizzy, and we had to substitute him. And then
his goal,
a fantastic goal. I mean, very beautiful.
I saw
goal.
You celebrating the goal.
Yeah, he was coming to me to just come and hug me, but then the other players rushed, and as light as I am in weight, they overpowered me and put me on the ground.
So then, 46 points. You are in the title race. You think Kotoko will still win this season's Premier League?
Let's take it game by game. That's the most important thing. Let's take the games in perspective, one after the other.
Well, we'll take it like that. They fought very hard. We made everything to make sure we beat them. But the first goal they got made us, fight from behind. So it's good. It's good. It was a tough match. So somebody who has fallen once for you, he will not come here for the second time. But it's okay. The boys fought very well. The goal didn't come. We splitted the points. So we take it like that. The problem was the finishes. Ghana, we have strikers, but you don't have finishes. They will run. Even when they get a chance and they will mess it up. So we are still working on them. I always work on my strikers, just to let them improve upon their goal scoring skills. But still, it is not come. But we work on that. When we get it, we win it. Just like we are targeting on winning so many of the matches left, so that when they compute the points and we are up there, then we take it.
Okay. Either you win, draw, or lose. You are not draw. Oh, Ming can say more please and also. Yeah, the boy who want to say before you do. I'm a league. You may just say a better double. Yes, a better FA Cup. Yes, I can bear 5 minutes, 7 minutes there. No one can when I'm in charge, you're not there, Penny. I mean, son of game, you're a baby, I demand. I haven't been out road yard. Just a queer man, my reference, what about because we to be yellow card. Also, also, we show. Now, but you will do not question for her. Almost a card, but they are the way of him. I mean, inshallah, the best thing enough. The game, yeah, Lion, lose the game for the I like the I thought of wow. Yeah, the team. Wow. The Lion people don't make mistakes, but the fact for the freedom, that's why no good. Die. I beg the people there, please help them. The team. Wow. Yeah, the league will collect them. The league will go collect them. Against my Heart of Lions, I have to support Kotoko. Because Kotoko is my #1 club in Ghanaian Premier League. Wow. Heart of Lions there. If they are playing against House of Folk, I support Heart of Lions. If they are playing Olympics, I support Heart of Lions. So if they are playing against my bloody club here, Kotoko, I will not support Kotoko and support Lions. So today, how was the game? Oh, it was very nice. But our other opponents thought the referee couldn't handle the game well.
Okay.
But to me, it was neither here nor there. It was normal. It happened to Kotoko. Kotoko should be complained. It happened to Heart of Lions. But they are not trying to understand that it is football.
Okay.
Because the referee, no one, he did not go to the referee course with the referee.
Okay.
He
understands the game.
He understands the game.
Yes.
So me as a supporter, I don't need to argue about the referee's officiating. Though I will get some rounds from him there. But at the end of the game, it is normal. Actually, we will be able to win.
Why?
Simply because for now, we are leading. We are on top of the league.
Just 2 points.
Just 2 points behind our opponent. And still we have game with them.
At away.
Very well. So it's likely we can beat them and extend our point to 5 points. So hopefully, fabulous mass.